We had Michael Douglas on this show.
Yeah, actually.
Of course, we could get.
Hold on a second.
Kendrick Sutherland.
Who's at the door? Knock, 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 knock.
Bing, boom,
Hi.
Boom, 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 boom.
Come in.
Hold on. We have to listen to my expensive doorbell first.
Okay.
Boom, 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 boom.
Wow, it sings.
Boom, 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 boom.
Come in. Come in. Come in.
Boom. It's not done ringing yet.
Hold on. Sorry.
Boom,
Stay out there.
boom. Boom, 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 boom. Like, you gonna answer the door? No, I got this novelty doorbell that's the entire soundtrack to A Man for All Seasons. I'm going to listen. The doorbell's not worth it unless you listen the whole song. An hour later on the phone with Amazon customer service, I was here and they didn't deliver the package. You fucking cunt. And I'm not calling you a cunt, I'm calling Amazon a cunt. But you're the one on the phone right now, cunt. Oh, I'm so sorry, package did not arrive as expected. But we will have that redelivered as soon as possible. Okay, thanks, cunt. Okay, thank you, Mr. Murray. Is there anything that we can help you with?
And what is your name? Cindy.
They have Anglo names. That's what you know. Yeah.
Come in.
Kendra's still at the door, guys.
Yeah, it's not Kendra. It's gay actor Michael Douglas. You fucking idiot.
Hi, it's me, gay actor Michael Douglas. Hi, I'm gay actor Michael Douglas. The fire in California has burned 600 people beyond recognition. Please look into your heart and reach out. Donate anything you can.
Many of them with beautiful penises.
I'm gay actor Michael Douglas, and I'm teaming up with the Make-A-Wish Foundation.
So funny.
Yeah, yeah, that one gets
How much
me good.
money have you raised so far?
$69 million.
Yeah.
For what hurricane was it?
For hurricane relief. Gay actor Michael Douglas has raised over $20 million.
That's right.
Trina.
For penis rejuvenation surgery.